YouTube channel. This is Lee's Rubik's Companion.
Hi.
And today I'm going to talk about the very first step of the Rubik's Cube. And Snorlax today is so busy, he's sleeping. Okay, so today you're gonna learn about how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And the first step is the white cross. And my sister is also learning how to solve it. So in 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna switch the screen to my Rubik's Cube. 3, 2, 1. Over here, we need, in order to make the white cross, turn to the yellow center. And we need to make the daisy. So all the sides needs to be the same, like this one. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. So all of them are the same. So now I'm gonna make it. So sometimes we'll give you difficulties. And you just try. If you don't think there will be any improvements on my video, please leave down comments right below. So after we've solved the daisy, we need it to be matching like my sister's. She's way ahead of me. Like this one. Red matches red, green and green. So anyways, I don't care. So this must be matching. If it's matching, you turn it down. So in my sister's case, all her sides have been matching, which is actually 0.0001%. Yeah, and she's a lucky one too. She solved some of the corners. So she made the white cross now, and all of them are matching. So now I've got to make them matching. So I'm going to show you the sample over here, and it's matching. So orange with orange, blue with blue, red with red, and green with green. So now, if yours is not matching, turn your side over here so that it's matching and turn it down. For next side, it's green, so turn to the green side. So this red, turn twice, then you go down. The last side, it's orange, just turn like that, and you go there. Good. So, now we have finished the cross. So remember, if you think my video is fine, please give a thumbs up, hit the bell, and subscribe my channel, Poke Craze Joe. Bye!